Hi guys, welcome to yet another natural hair video. As per the title, this is an updated wash day routine. I have a few products that I have added to my routine, so I thought why not film a video and share it with you guys, because why not? I am a natural hair girly after all. So please do like the video, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. So I just finished taking down my hair and that took me about like 20 minutes. This is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, the build up is crazy. Like, that is actually disgusting. Like, ew. Right now I'm just going to put a hair treatment onto my hair, and the treatment that I'll be using is the Medley Beauty Blue Lotus Treatment Hair Mask. This is what it looks like, and when I tell you, this makes my hair so easy to detangle. I remember the first time I used it, I didn't detangle my hair before washing it, and I put this treatment on and it made my hair so soft. I would definitely recommend this So this is what my hair is looking like, and I'm going to keep the mask in for like 10 to 15 minutes just so that the product really soaks up into my hair. And I'm going to wash it off and obviously wash my hair and condition and all of that. But can we talk about my curls? Like, what? Imagine not having 4C hair. I mean, obviously all hair types are beautiful, but like, excuse me? Like, I'm so sorry. Like, can we talk about my curls? Like just look at the back of my curls. Like, what? My curls are just so gorgeous and so beautiful. Because what do you mean? So it's actually been more than 10 minutes. I think I waited for a good 20-30 minutes, but that is fine because as you can see, the product has now disappeared or vanished, and that just basically means now the product is like inside my hair, like really inside my hair, because the product was visible. Now it's literally inside my hair. So now I'm just going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to wash my hair with, let me just show you the shampoo. I've been using the shampoo for years that I have been natural, and recently I changed my shampoo. I started using the Medley Beauty products, the products that I got sent, or the products that I got as a PR package. But honestly, I use any shampoo. It really doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. So today I'll be using the shampoo from the Organics brand, and for conditioner I will be using the Medley Beauty conditioner, and this is what it looks like. It's a moisturizing conditioner. But first, let us rinse out this hair and of course detangle with a wide tooth comb, which looks like this, and then we'll move on to the shampoo, conditioner, and all of that. And yeah, I'm using lukewarm water. If you like to wash your hair with cold water, do that, but me personally, no.
It's really your real phone number.
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, only want your love if it's silent. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile, but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Hi guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after washing it. As you can see, it is looking quite short. That's because it's all shrinked and whatever. But right now it's time to moisturize, and these are all the products that I use to moisturize. African Pride Moisturizer Lotion. This is what it looks like. This is so moisturizing. I definitely recommend. It's only 44 rand at Clicks, so 44.99. African Pride Growth Oil. This is what it looks like, as well as the Blue Lotus Stimulating Hair Food from the Medley Beauty brand. this is what it looks like. Literally the 3 products that I will be using. I don't really do too much with my hair, honestly. Like, I really don't be doing too much. Like, I'm not really like those natural hair enthusiasts who literally do treatments every week and you know, all of that. Like, I don't do all of that. Like, I'm very basic and simple with my natural hair. I do what I need to do and that's about it. But yeah, as long as my hair is healthy, that's all. Like, I really don't care about length anymore. Like, I used to be really obsessed with length, but now I just don't care. As long as my hair is healthy, I don't care if it looks short or whatever, as long as it's healthy and thriving and voluminous. Like, that's what I care about. Because imagine having long hair but it's thin and damaged. No, thank you. I'd rather have short hair but it's voluminous and it's healthy and you know, and it's thick like this. But anyways, let us moisturize this hair. Done and blow dried. As you can see, it's looking very full, very luscious. Okay, we don't have see-through afros over here, period. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure that you like the video and also comment as well as subscribe, because obviously my content is tea. Like, you will love it over here, I promise. And if you're a natural hair girly like myself, comment down below like any product recommendations that you would like for me to try, or like anything, like any tips that you have for me, because obviously I don't know everything. Like, I might have been a natural hair girly for years and years, but I do not know everything. So if there's any tips that you have, comment them down below. If there are any products that you literally swear by and you would recommend, comment them down below, so you know, other people can learn as well from the comments. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.